Welcome family, friends, for some of us who just met some new friends, our guests, and the guests of some guests. We appreciate y'all taking your time out of your day to be here with us. We want to thank you from the bottom of our hearts. I want to thank both the groom and the bride's party for an amazing day today. We appreciate your help. I want to thank both the families for coming out and helping us put this together and making it work. We appreciate all the help you've given us. To Nicole and her family, it's a pleasure to finally have you in with us. Although, I swear, you've been part of our family for many years now.
Feels like it.
The stories that I could go back and tell are wild and far between. However, the ones that I want to tell are probably the ones that we're about to start having. So I'm really excited for them to finally be a part. Andrew, it's been a pleasure watching you grow up to be taller than I am. I'm sure you're going to continue to get up there. It's been a pleasure to hang out and meet all your family and friends.
Thank you.
The only thing I can say about your family is that, just like myself, obviously tons of people are drawn to y'all, and you make them feel like family. So appreciate y'all letting us in. Thank you very much.
Read it.
Okay. Hello everyone. For those of you that don't know me, my name is Jennifer, and I have the honor and privilege of being Nicole's maid of honor. I hope you all are having a wonderful time celebrating these two lovebirds. I met Nicole 4 years ago when both our sons, Isaiah and Andrew, played on the same football team. Go Bears!
Yes! Go Bears!
When Nicole and I first met, we were both engaged and both planning our weddings. Nicole was a bridesmaid in my wedding last November, and what a day that was for Nicole, my sister-in-law, and I. We arrived an hour late to the chapel from hair and makeup and had to get ready in the storage closet. Fun times. I just want to start off by congratulating the bride and groom, Nicole and Chris. I wish you many more wonderful years together. When I first met Nicole, we instantly became friends because she had a positive, energetic smile that could light up any room. One of the things I liked most about the first time we met was hearing the story of how her and Chris first met and fell in love. She had so much light in her eyes, I knew their relationship was something truly special. And it was obvious there was something truly amazing about them. Some of the things I liked most about Chris was that he was hardworking and he was helping to raise Andrew. It says a lot about a man's character to help raise another man's child. I have bear witness to Nicole and Chris being there for each other in countless times of need, working together through challenges, supporting each other during life's obstacles, as well as praising each other in the wonderful times. I am excited to see the next chapter of their lives unfold as husband and wife. Nicole and Chris, you are very lucky and blessed to have one another. I wish you a lifetime of laughter and the joyous moments, and I wish you excitement for all the adventures that lay ahead. To the happily ever happy. Cheers.